Welcome dear students. Hope you all are fine. In the last video we have read about nutrition, modes of nutrition and photosynthesis. Now we will read about synthesis of plant food other than carbohydrates. Synthesis of plant food other than carbohydrates. In the last video, we have read that plants prepare carbohydrates by the process of photosynthesis. They prepare carbohydrates. Plants prepare carbohydrates by the process of photosynthesis. Then these carbohydrates are used to make other plant food such as proteins and fats. They are used to prepare proteins and fats. Proteins are nitrogenous substances. They are nitrogenous substances. Nitrogenous substances means they are made up of nitrogen. Now the question arises, from where do the plants get nitrogen? As we know that nitrogen is available in large amount in atmosphere. Nitrogen is available in large amount in the atmosphere. But the plants cannot absorb nitrogen gas directly from the atmosphere. Plants cannot absorb nitrogen directly from atmosphere. There are some bacteria which are present in the soil, which convert this nitrogen gas, which convert nitrogen gas into useful substances, which are then used by the plants, or absorbed by the plants along with the water. When the plants absorb the water through their roots, along with that water, the plants absorb these useful substances which are prepared by the bacteria from the nitrogen gas. Now the farmers and the gardeners, they also add fertilizers. Fertilizers contain a large amount of nitrogen. Fertilizers contain large amount of nitrogen. It contains large amount of nitrogen, which gets mixed with the soil. And is absorbed, and is absorbed by the plants, from the soil. And the plants prepare the proteins and vitamins. The plants prepare proteins and vitamins by using this nitrogen. Now we will read about other modes of nutrition in plants. Other modes of nutrition in plants. Like most of the plants are autotrophs, means they prepare their own food by the process of photosynthesis. But there are some plants which do not have chlorophyll, So they cannot prepare their own food. By photosynthesis. So they cannot prepare their own food by photosynthesis. Like humans and animals. These plants, like humans and animals, these plants also depend on other plants for their nutrition. Like humans and animals, these plants also depend on other plants for their nutrition. So these plants obtain their nutrition. By heterotrophic mode of nutrition. These plants obtain their nutrition by heterotrophic mode of nutrition. In heterotrophic nutrition, the organisms depend on other organisms for their food. In heterotrophic nutrition, the organisms depend on other organisms for their food. Now, heterotrophic plants are divided into 4 types. Heterotrophic plants are divided into 4 types. into 4 types that we will read afterwards. So basically the plants which do not have chlorophyll, they cannot prepare their own food by the photosynthesis. So like humans and animals, they also depend on other plants for their food, and they obtain their food or nutrition by heterotrophic mode of nutrition. In the heterotrophic nutrition, the organisms depend on other organisms. The organisms depend on other organisms for their food. The heterotrophic plants are of 4 types. Now we will read about parasitic plants. Parasitic plants. Parasitic plants depend on other plants. They depend on other plants for their nutrition. It depends on other plants. Depends on other plants for their nutrition. The parasitic plants are called parasites. They are called parasites. They are called parasites. Parasites. And the plants on which parasitic plants depend. The plants on which parasitic plants depend for their nutrition, they are called host. They are called host. The plants on which parasitic plants depend for their nutrition, they are called host. They are called host. They are called host. And the parasitic plants climb on the host plants. The parasitic plants climbs on the host plant, and obtain their nutrition, their nutrition. Example is Cuscuta. Cuscuta, that is also known as Amar Bale in Hindi. Amar Bale in Hindi. And mistletoe. These are the 2 examples of parasitic plants.